Hello Gigi, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you 3 things that you can do immediately to boost the traffic to your website. The only thing that I'm asking in return is for your feedback on this video. So let's start with your website. I can see that you have the click to call button, you have the contact us form, links to the different services that you provide, the areas that you serve, another contact us form, and links to your social media accounts. So in general terms, it is a well laid out website, very easy to reach out to you guys. In terms of the amount of content, right now it is sitting around 473 words, and it's important to have enough content so that you can identify and push through relevant keywords or quality content so that Google can find it for that particular content. If I have a look at 2 of your competitors, Surf Pro, this is the landing page for Miami. It's not looking as nice as yours. They have around 913 words. And if I look at Water Damage Miami LLC, these guys have a little bit more description on their services, and they are sitting around 1,300 words. So a good spot for you to start would be to throw in 1,500 words, so that Google can optimize you for that, and including in that content, include relevant keywords. And what I mean by that is that I came in here to Google search and I typed in Water Damage Restoration Miami, which is a buyer intent keyword, or basically what people type in when they want to buy one of your services. And the first section is the Google Ads, and the Google Ads are good at driving traffic, but the flip side is that they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly, and also some people just turn them off in their browsers. Now the second section is also the Google My Business Profile, the GMPs, and GMPs are driving 40% of the traffic, so they are having a massive impact on businesses. And to rank at the top of the GMPs, you need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory showing the business name, the address, and the phone number. And if those details match those of the Google My Business Profile, then Google will verify you and will start ranking you at the top. Now the third section of Google is the organic search, and this is where I found your competitors. To rank at the top of the Google's organic search, you need first to be found by Google, but you also need backlinks, because backlinks is what gives power to your website. So right now, I'm looking at Aris, which is a tool that helps me analyze the backend of websites, and I can see that you have 80 backlinks in 14 referring domains, so that is 80 links in 14 external websites directing traffic towards your website. If I have a look at Miami at Surf Pro, the landing page for Miami only, they do not have a backlink profile specific to this location page, but I can see this rating of their domain rating, and this is a measure of how powerful their domain is. So basically, they are able to pass power onto this landing page. Let's have a look at Water Damage Miami. They have 3,510 backlinks in 428 referring domains. So as you can see, they have a lot more. They are ranking on the second position. They have a lot of backlinks, so there's a little bit of work to do in this aspect. You have to start building those backlinks, and most importantly, you need to have backlinks that are powerful. That means that they are sitting on websites that are relevant to your niche, to the service that you provide. Google has algorithms to verify this, and if they are able to, once they do, they will give you extra points and extra praise, and they will rank you at the top. Now, the other section that I want to show you is the organic keywords. So right now, you are being ranked for these keywords. See how it says here 4 keywords, and you were ranked before for these keywords, but it says lost. So your website is being found as per this tool for these 4 keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are, the search volume of those keywords, and the position that you are appearing in for the Google search. Anything beyond the 10th position means that your website is not able to attract enough visits. So I just highlighted in here those that are buyer intent keywords. So Restoration Florida, search volume of 10, restoration companies in Florida 150, category positions 65 and 92 respectively. If I look at search pro, they are being ranked for 35 keywords. I highlighted it, I filtered by Florida, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and you can see here that they are being ranked in the first and second positions, therefore fifth position for many keywords. I highlighted some of those, but just to show you, water damage restoration Miami has a search volume of 300, water damage Miami 250, water damage restoration Miami 100 here. If I have a look at these guys, they are being ranked for 363 keywords, so water damage Miami 250, water damage restoration Miami 300. If you add up these volumes at the end of the month for these buyer intent keywords, that's the number of times your website will be in front of potential customers. Then a number of those potential customers would click on the link that will take them to your website, and then a percentage of those will actually reach out to you. And then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into customers, increasing your revenue and growing your business. And that's the reason why you want to have the relevant content in your website powered by powerful backlinks, and you also want to rank at the top of the GMP by having enough citations, features, and reviews. And that's what I wanted to share with you. If you like what you saw in this video, please go ahead and use it and implement it on your own. Otherwise, as I said before, I would love to hear your feedback, and I would love to hear from you. My contact details are at the bottom